ericmuadidmuadid.com for the weekend of October 10th and October 11th, 2015. Let's take a look at how markets closed on Friday. Pretty much an unchanged picture here. A little bit to the upside. Nasdaq was up 0.41. We see that gold was up 1%. And we see that crude oil was up about 0.4. And the VIX was down about 2%. For the week, we see that the Nasdaq was up 2.61%. For the week, the Dow was up 3.72%. And for the week, we see that the S&P 500 was up 3.26%. Because most of the major world markets right now are showing the same charts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to default and I'm going to direct you to this weekend's world market analysis. But before I do that, take a look here at the S&P 500 weekly. You can see that there was a recent break here. And that break in the S&P 500 is what was responsible for this move lower here. Since this break, market's been down since that break. And so if you extend the same line, you can see that the market is coming back to test that level. If that level fails, then more than likely it might suggest that the market is due for a pullback, maybe not a correction, but a pullback from here. If this is confirmed as resistance, expect market to be pulling back in the coming week and weeks. And also we see that if the market can move above that blue line, then it can continue building on this week's nice recovery. What I'm going to do is I'm going to direct you guys to the weekend world market analysis video. So I apologize for not having a US part 1 market analysis video because the world markets pretty much are all looking alike. They're all the same. Or look for this video here on YouTube. It should be able to show you pretty much what the US markets look like. So again, take a look at the link that I'm providing here to your top right. And that should take you to the market analysis in terms of the world market analysis. There's a mention there also of the S&P 500 towards the end. All markets across the globe, for some reason, they are all the same at the present time, which means there's really no need for me to go through the US markets by themselves since I have already recorded the major world market for this weekend. So again, check out the weekend major world market analysis video if you are looking for the regular US market analysis. For subscribers, I'm going to have part 2 ready for you guys sometime on Sunday after I go through the charts, see whether I can find you guys some stock picks. So for subscribers, be on the lookout for part 2, which should be out sometime on Sunday. So make sure you enjoy your weekend, and if you want the video, I would say go ahead and click on that area right there. Click there so you can be taken to this weekend's version of the US market analysis. So enjoy your weekend. Come on now. ericmuadidmuadid.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessing. I am out, but I shall be back. No, I shall be. Seriously, I will. I shall be back. You think I'm kidding? No, watch me next Sunday, next weekend, next Saturday, during the week. I shall be back. Anyway, see you guys. You still here? Come on, click right here. Click on this. Click on this right here. That's what you want, right? You want to know what markets are going to do? Click on this. Come on, go ahead. I am out.